If you're thinking of migrating or writing your next application on Postgres, we've got an awesome database for you. AlloyDB is a Google Cloud database with full Postgres compatibility that scales in any direction you need: up, down, out, or in to handle any workload you throw at it. Okay, back up for a sec. Why a Postgres compatible database? If I want Postgres, shouldn't I just run Postgres? Of course you can, and many people do. Open source technologies drive the application development world because of their innovation, their wealth of shared knowledge, and their welcoming and engaged communities. So what exactly do we mean when we say AlloyDB is compatible with open source Postgres? First of all, it's based on the Postgres kernel. It supports every new major version that comes out, and we update minor versions and security patches during maintenance. And speaking of maintenance, just to slip this in, only briefly interrupts writes and doesn't interrupt reads at all. Second, it's wire compatible. Any client that you use to talk to an out-of-the-box Postgres instance will also talk to AlloyDB. Whether it's PSQL, pgadmin, or an application you've written on top of Postgres, they'll all just work. And third, AlloyDB has extensive support for Postgres extensions. There's a good chance that the ones that you use will work as is. The biggest takeaway is that if you're familiar with Postgres, you can start using AlloyDB without any changes. Your databases and applications will be fully portable between AlloyDB and other Postgres databases wherever you choose to run them. But when your application is so awesome that hordes of new users are at your door, you need to figure out scalability and reliability fast. In other words, you need the full power of the cloud, and AlloyDB delivers. It uses the cloud's massive compute and storage resources to deliver high performance and availability. It offers global deployments, automatic database tuning, automated scaling and load balancing, analytics and AI ML integrations, and so much more. And that's what it means to be fully compatible with Postgres and enjoy the openness and portability of open source with the scalability and intelligence of the cloud. So go ahead, get a charge out of Google Cloud without compromising your commitment to Postgres. Move your data, build your applications, and just watch what a super-powered Postgres database can do. Available on Google Cloud, create an instance today and connect your application. There are links to the documentation and getting started guides in the description below.